in the clients like, oh, I want all glitter in my nails and I have 2 rings finger. I want to bling it up. I said, sure. Okay, now condensed glue gels. If you are having a hard time with your crystal placement, again, this bestie will going to back you up every single time. So I am go ahead and apply on tie the nails. If you know exactly where the spot you are going to, you more than welcome to just add. It's just like only this spot. If they're just only doing on the cuticle area, there's no reason for you to apply whole and tie the nails. It's just like doing cuticle area, and make sure follow with the no wipe top coat or the matte, which is shiny. I would not put the matte on unless the clients want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and using no wipe top coat, floating on the tops. If you ask me what one of the items you have to get or you want to check glitz out, I would suggest going to get your invest in your crystal placement in Trifecta. It's absolutely the bomb. It's back you up every single time, and it's not only ensure for you, but also it's not only the clients, oh my god, it's so beautiful, but is this come up, and next day it will not until they come in. You have to like really break them and clip them off. So I have my cuties like super golden clocks right here. I'm going to, there's a incoming 2 colors, the white one and you see yesterday. I love the white one so much. It's like contrast colors when you're doing a background. But today we're doing kind of a sparkle golden, so I'm not using this beauty. So I'm gonna add this one on first. You can do it on the top, you can do it on the bottom, however you like. And then I am using this cuties, which is the S shape. It's forever one of my fave, and it's wrap around this. You can using the AB, which is come in the newest like ultimate crystal kits, and I dropped that one so bad. I haven't had time to, but it's beautiful, and then have that shape, the ultimate, the newest kits that is really perfect with all different centerpiece and filler SS, just in case you want to be AB. But this one is come in the pack, like this one right here, inside pack. It have a huge, I love the huge is a heart shape, and then the SS right here, and crystal scales and the drops. So that is coming inside packs. I love it. It's stand out so perfect. And I'm gonna add this one on. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going anywhere until you are going to like hear it. So you have pretty much all the time in the world to working with this. And I'm gonna using the SS to fill it in.
You just encoded one like a time egg,
huh?
A time egg.
What is that?
It's like, so you make a little box, you bury it underground, and you open back up in 50 years.
Huh? And you just, you're so real? You just imagine it yourself?
No, like, so you have big clock, and then you have like the 2 little egg crystal.
It's not the eggs.
I just say, it looks like it.
Right.
Yep, so like we're gonna rewatch this video in about 50 years and say, hey, that's all we did.
Time egg. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna using the beads matching with the nails, but you know what this looks good with? It's gonna be perfect. There's a rose gold beads. I think it's right there. I can stay it. You might move my rose gold somewhere, but there's rose gold bead. It's so simple, and you can find it in $5 nail art. I love all the beads. We give so much in the beads, so then the real beads is not like a plastic beads. So they ours will last so long, and it's just so like perfect for adding it on. Yeah, but I'm almost done with this. Thank you.
Yep, because it is real metal. So if you ever spill them, because we know we do, get a piece of magnet, wrap it in paper, and just swipe through. It will pick up everything for you.
So I'm gonna add it on. This is like just for the clients, like out of like 9 out of 10 time when my clients that come in with the schedule already, and then like, oh my god, Nancy, can I get this? Sure. Give it a couple of rooms, like a little bit, like about 10 minutes, so you can create another design for the clients and upsells for your service. Alright, I'm gonna add just a couple more. And then a couple more. Whoop. The background is just so stunning. Can you wipe this off for me? Alright, so now before I am going to key, I'm go ahead and adjusting all of them first. Just make sure they pack in like tight. And then happy with this, we are going to clear this beauty for like 60 seconds. Let's see, make sure our clocks is like good. Well, if you don't have a clock, you can draw it, but I would rather to do crystal placement instead of drawing. I know Dom is really good at drawing. Brazil skill. But I get $5 nail art to back me up. Okay. Great. Cue for 60 seconds.